To buy USDT on Binance using Gcash. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, P2P, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy USDT on Binance using Gcash. First things first, you want to open up your wallet. Once you do so, at the bottom right corner you'll find the wallets tab. You can head over there. Then you can head over to the funding option. Once under funding, you want to select USDT here. So you can select P2P, and you want to make sure that you select the USDT. Then you can select the payment method here, so just go to P2P and then OK here, and you can see USDT is selected. Now you want to select the payment method right there, and you can search in for Gcash right here, so you can see Gcash, and now you can select Gcash and tap on confirm and go ahead with the purchase. Now if there is any ads available that you can pay using the Gcash, you'll find it right here, so make sure you enter in the currency and such as well. So I've just typed in your random information. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.